Hello and welcome to AI Plus More. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can use the YouTube audio library to put music in your videos. And not just music, but including sound effects as well. It's what I discovered just a while ago. So here we are currently on YouTube, and you need to be signed in on your account, of course. So I'm heading into my videos because you can't edit anything else other than your videos. Why would you edit other people's videos? So let's use this one video here as our sample for this tutorial, and afterwards you can see if we watch this video that there's not any music, there's just sound from the game. And yeah, let's stop it there. And then we need to go to the editor. Yes, a built-in editor on YouTube. That's not really as efficient, but it's still useful when you're adding non-copyrighted music or sound effects that you might need in your video if you're kind of broke. And if by clicking the audio library here, you're gonna be sent into their entire library, where you'll see a lot from music to sound effects, and all of this are for free, and all of this are royalty free and also no copyright. And one thing that you can do is, other than previewing, is you also can download it so that you can build up a collection in your PC that you may be able to use in your future projects on YouTube, which will make it safe for you to get monetized if you just keep on pushing. So let's go back here. The thing that you can do is actually you can search it up, the music that you might find on YouTube audio library, because the search results that come out of here is everything. But what you can find without searching is only limited, so you're gonna have to search something up if you have something in mind. So you have to scroll down a lot through the YouTube audio library. So now that we have our music here, I've already added it by clicking it. You can see that the music is overpowering the video, that you can even actually hear anything from the video anymore. And what you can do is you can adjust the mix level here, and right now it should balance out more on the sound of the video overpowering the music than the other way around. And if you're listening now, you can see that that's actually what's happening here. And if you want it to go the other way around, you can just do it the other way around, and just for the rest you can just save. But one thing I want to tell you is that you can also delete the the music. And even if after you save it, after you publish it again, you can come back here again on the editor and just remove the audio without making it a part of the video itself. It will still look like this, like it's separate from the video. You can just remove the audio, the music, and add something else. It's actually very amazing how they have that, because you don't have to save a project or anything. It's been done for you. That's it. That's how music using audio library on YouTube. Thanks for watching. Once again, thank you for watching. Be sure to leave a like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and make sure to comment down below any thoughts or suggestions that you would like us to make in the future. Thank you so much.